Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for a new online service. First, understand the advantages of creating an account, like personalized features and save progress. Next, gather your essential details, including a valid email address and a strong, unique password. Finally, open your web browser or app store and go to the service's official platform to begin the process. Now, let's dive into the registration form. Look for the Sign Up or Register button, usually found at the top right or center of the page. Click it, then carefully input your email address. Craft a strong password, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Complete any other mandatory fields like your name to proceed. After submitting your details, the next crucial step is account verification. Head over to your email inbox. You should find a message from the service. Open it and click the verification link, or copy, and paste the provided 6-digit code into the website's prompt. This confirms your email ownership and activates your account, often within just a few minutes. Congratulations, your account is now active. Log in using your new email and password. Take a moment to personalize your profile. You might want to upload a profile picture, adjust notification settings, or set your privacy preferences. With your account fully set up, you are now ready to explore all the exciting features and benefits the service has to offer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.